Hello and welcome to this exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency trading with Bitget. Today, we're going to explore one of the most enticing opportunities for new and seasoned traders alike, the Bitget Referral bonus. The Bitget Referral bonus program is designed to reward both new users and those who refer them. By using a referral code like 4H6K when signing up, you can unlock exclusive benefits. Here's how. New users, when you sign up with the code 4H6K, you instantly receive a bonus worth up to 600 USDT, which you can use to boost your crypto portfolio right from the start. Referrers. If you're already a Bitget user, each time someone signs up with your code, both you and your referred friend get a gift. Imagine your earnings growing with every referral. Why should you jump on the Bitget Referral bonus train? For starters, it's not just about the bonus. It's about joining a vibrant community of traders, gaining access to exclusive trading tools, lesser fees, and being part of a platform known for its security and innovation. Here are some key advantages. Exclusive trading tools. Think advanced order types, grid trading, and more, tailored to enhance your trading strategy. Reduced fees. Every referral makes trading more economical for you. Security. Bitget has a multifaceted security approach, ensuring your assets are safe. And remember, using the referral code 4H6K adds an extra layer of benefits for you. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up with Bitget using the referral code 4H6K and let your trading journey take off with a bonus. Here's your chance to start with an advantage while helping your friends kickstart their trading experience on one of the most dynamic platforms out there. Remember, your success on Bitget can multiply when you share the wealth with the code 4H6K. Head over to Bitget now, use 4H6K to begin, and may your trades be ever in your favor. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency trading. Happy trading!